In this video, we will study about trigeminal nerve, which is fifth cranial nerve. It is the largest cranial nerve. Introduction of trigeminal nerve. It is the main sensory nerve of the head. It transmits information to the brain about touch, temperature, proprioception, and pain sensations from the face and head. It controls muscles of mastication and as well as tensor tympani and tensor villi palatini muscles which derive from first pharyngeal arch. The trigeminal nerve originates from 4 nuclei in the brainstem, 3 sensory and 1 motor located from midbrain to the medulla oblongata, and it emerged from the lateral side of the pons. Mesencephalic nucleus in the midbrain receive proprioceptive fibers from face. The second nucleus is principal sensory nucleus which is present in pons and it receives touch fibers from face. The third nucleus is spinal trigeminal nucleus which is very long. It is present in lower medulla and upper part of the spinal cord. It receives pain and temperature sensation from face. Motor nucleus is present in pons and it supplies the muscles which derive from first pharyngeal arch. So now let's look at the course of trigeminal nerve. As I already told that it arises from pons, trigeminal ganglion situated in the middle cranial fossa and a depression in the temporal bone which is called Michel's cave or trigeminal cave, which is the site for the location of trigeminal ganglion. The trigeminal ganglion give rise to 3 branches of the trigeminal nerve. First division is ophthalmic division, which passes through the lateral wall of the cavernous sinus and then it exits the skull after passing through the superior orbital fissure. Then maxillary division enters the lateral wall of cavernous sinus and it exits the skull through foramen rotundum. And the third division, which is mandibular division, exits the skull through foramen ovale. Now the divisions of trigeminal nerve. First one is ophthalmic nerve, second is maxillary nerve, and third one is mandibular nerve. Now the area of distribution of trigeminal nerve. First of all, area of distribution of ophthalmic nerve. Frontal branch supplies the area of forehead, scalp, frontal and ethmoidal air sinuses. Then the nasociliary branch supplies the upper eyelid, cornea and dorsum of the nose. Then the lacrimal branch, which receives the fibers from pterygopalatine ganglion, it supplies the lacrimal gland. Then the area of distribution of maxillary nerve. Its branches are nasal nerve, lacrimal nerve, infraorbital nerve and anterior superior alveolar nerve. Its area of distribution are lower eyelid, cheek, upper teeth, upper jaw and palate. Includes maxillary sinus, nasal cavity and middle portion of face and skull. Then the mandibular nerve, it is the only division which have both motor and sensory components. Its branches are buccal, inferior alveolar, auriculotemporal and lingual nerve. The area of distribution of mandibular nerve is mucous membrane of the oral cavity, external ear, lower lip, lower jaw, chin and anterior 2/3 of the tongue. Mandibular branch also have the motor component and it supply the muscles of mastication which derive from first pharyngeal arch, which are temporalis, medial pterygoid, lateral pterygoid and masseter. And this is the overall area of distribution of 3 divisions. This was all about trigeminal nerve. I hope you find this video informative. Please support our efforts to make more videos by subscribing to this channel and please leave thumbs up for this video. Thank you.